Yes, greetings, my people. I thank God for this wonderful moment and the privilege we have. Yes, we have seen the brightness of this day. Please, I want to direct this video, this brief message and the correction to the senior pastor of a citadel, Pastor Tunde Bakare. I watched a video where he said that the reason why Igbos had not ruled Nigeria is that they were cursed because of the murder of Belewa. But I want to correct that mistake. It's a misconception. Sir, I don't have that manners to disrespect elders. I have the culture of respect to the elders. I don't mean to reply you, but just to correct that narrative. Sir, we are not cursed. Igbos are not cursed. Igbos are the major source of blessings to this nation. We are blessings to all the regions, all the ethnic groups. We are developing every part of this country without sentiment or tribalistic mentality. How can you prove it? I watched an interview conducted by a white journalist where he asked Ahmadu Bello, what about the Igbos? And he said that they will not allow the Igbos to rule simply because they have that domineering spirit. They dominate any place they go. So that is the fear of unknown. That's the major reason why we are not allowed to occupy that seat. And we are not bothered. As far as I'm concerned, that is not a major achievement. What we want is equity, fairness, justice. That's what we want. Freedom from all these bondages. That's what we want. Not, ruling this country. All the tribes that have ruled, what's the result? So we're not talking about that. And we're not bothered. We have not complained. What about the few individuals that are complaining? So what I'm saying, sir, we are blessings. They gave our forefathers 20 pounds after the war. But look at what God has, blessed us with. We are unique. We are outstanding people. So there's no evidence of that curse upon our lives. There's no evidence. All the property they took away after the war, the money they took away, they gave only 20 pounds. Look at it today. So we are not cursed, sir. When you are talking about curses, you talk about this country that is under serious bondage, under siege. So this country the curse upon this country needs to be broken. You channel that prayers and that spiritual energy and the stamina in breaking the curses upon this country, not upon the Igbos. We are not cursed. We are blessings to other tribes. And nobody can deny that. We have proofs. So we are not cursed, sir. This nation is cursed, as far as I'm concerned. So, God bless you for your interest in praying for us. At least that prayer will increase the blessings of God upon our lives, not breaking of the curse. Then the prayer will also break the curse upon this country. That's why when people say, God bless Nigeria, I say it's a wrong prayer. It's God deliver Nigeria. Deliverance before blessings. So that's my humble opinion and the little correction I have. Thank you very much, sir, for your concern. My name is Brother Paul Ochigbo. Remain blessed.
Visit our YouTube channel, God's Agenda TV, to watch all our inspirational videos. Remember to hit the notification button, subscribe, like, and share. God's Agenda Production. Your soul is our target. Agenda Production.